Students, this is part 2 video on support vector machines. Welcome to the class. Now we are going to discuss about non-linear SVM. Okay. Listen, sometimes we can't separate data using a straight line. Okay, because the points are mixed in a curve or circle as I mentioned in the picture like this. Okay, that that's when we use non-linear SVM, it changes the shape of the data by lifting it into a higher space where a line can separate it. Okay, this is done using something called a kernel trick. For example, imagine if apples are in the center and oranges are around them in a circle, and think in this picture squares are apples and the blue dots are surrounded by squares are oranges. Okay, we can't draw a straight line to divide them, but non-linear SVM can separate them easily by changing how we look at the data. Let me explain code in Google Colab by printing non-linear SVM. Okay, this is the code. Firstly, we are importing libraries as NumPy, Matplotlib, and datasets, SVM, model selection, and metrics. Okay. First, we are creating a special type of data called moons. It looks like two curved shapes, right? That's why. In the next, we split the data into training and testing like before I told you in the part 1 video. Next, we are using SVM with RBF kernel, which means it can handle a curved shape of data. This step. Okay. Next, after training, we test and print accuracy. In this, after training of the data, we test and print the accuracy of our model. And last, we draw the curved line that separates two shapes. This is, let me run the code and I'll show you the output. Yeah, this is our non-linear boundary. Curves are separated the data. That means all the blue balls aside, all the red are aside. Okay. Yes, this is all about non-linear SVM by using RBF kernel. That's it. Thank you.